Hello all, welcome to the series of rapid manufacturing. So we were learning additive manufacturing in the previous videos. After this is like we have learned the definition for rapid manufacturing, the other names of rapid manufacturing, what is mean by additive manufacturing in the previous videos. It was like it is nothing but layered manufacturing where we will be developing layers, we will be designing the layers, we will be developing and manufacturing the layers, and all the layers will be aligned one above the other, which is called as which is called as two-dimensional additive manufacturing. And when we make it together as a prototype, then it is called as three-dimensional additive manufacturing or rapid manufacturing. So that is what we have learned in the previous video. So here, after an automated process of mesh fixing, slicing, and hatching, the desired structure is transferred into a photopolymer volume by scanning the layer's focus point in a layer by layer process. So we are manufacturing the product in a sensitive manner, layer as a layer as a layer. This three-dimensional printing workflow is based on multi-photon absorption. Polymerization is only triggered in the high intensity region within the focal volume. So first what we are doing, we are slicing, okay? We are hatching. So, and three-dimensional CAD model is there. One CAD model is there. We are slicing, making it into layers. The slicing distance is also outside. Hatching distance is also outside. And three-dimensionally, we are printing the data. Slicing distance is also mentioned. Hatching distance is mentioned. Photoresist, photoresist substract will be there. A polymer part, polymer layer will be there. Liquid will be applied, and a focal plane will be there. Final micro part will be designed. There will be a threshold limit and absorption of the photoresist, and substract will also be there, and photoresist will be there. So this is the complete process in 3D printing. So this 3D printing workflow is totally based on photon absorption, polymerization. So the next is additive manufacturing process. We are going to learn the process. It is an automated and a revolving process developed from the principle of layer-based technology. Sensitive work. It is characterized by a process chain illustrated in the figure. It starts with a virtual three-dimensional CAD data set solid that represents the parts to be produced. Whatever we need, the product we need, we have to design it first using the software, and then we have to manufacture it. We have to simulate before manufacturing, and then only we have to manufacture, which reduces the cost of production, unwanted cost of production. In engineering, the data set is typically obtained by three-dimensional CAD or by scanning or other imaging technologies. Computerized tomography scan, CT scan, computerized tomography scan. Additive manufacturing process chain. That is what we are going to learn here. Virtual CAD model using computer. Maybe we can use AutoCAD software or Fusion 360 CAD model software. Obtain the contour information by slicing the CAD model on the computer. So we first design the model, we slice the model, making of physical layer due to the contour information, plus merging the physical layers on top of each other. And finally, we are designing, slicing the data into layers, analyzing the layers, and then we are bringing it all together. As a result, a set of contoured virtual slices with even thickness is obtained. We are slicing the data evenly, equally. The data set consisting of the contour data xy, the layer thickness dx, the layer number of each layer is submitted to a machine that executes two elementary process steps per layer in order to create the part. So the sliced data along with the thickness, along with the distance between the layers, we are submitting it to a machine. That machine will be executing two elementary process steps and to create the part. First, Each layer is processed according to the given contour and layer thickness data. This can be done in many ways using different physical phenomena. The most simple method is to cut the contour from a prefabricated sheet or a foil. So we are slicing the design and we are manufacturing the design. That is the process. In the second step, each layer is bonded to the preceding layer, now forming the top layer of the partly finished model. Again, the simplest method is to use a contoured foil or glue it on the top of the preceding layer. Layer by layer, the physical model is growing from the bottom to the top until the final part is obtained. These basic steps called as process chain are the same for all of the approximately hundreds of different additive manufacturing machines available today. The machines differ only by the way each layer is processed and by the way adjacent layers are joined to form the part. So the layer making distance, finding the distance is all going to be the same, but based on the final product, the where to keep at what dimension we have to keep the layer, that differs from one product to another product or one prototype to another prototype. I hope you would have learned from the video. See you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Radhika.